In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the report from your WL20 device. People like WL20 a lot because of the means of pulling report from it. You can pull report via a USB drive here, a pen drive here, or you can use the TA Assistant mobile app available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For me, in this tutorial, I'll be pulling reports using my pen drive. This is a drive, a storage device connected with a USB that can easily use. You can use a flash or anything, your external hard drive. You can use it to pull reports from this device. So what I need to do is connect it to the device. What I need to do is first connect it. So this is me connecting my external drive to the device. And for me to be able to download report, I need to be an admin. So I need to log in to the device. All I just have to do is press the OK, and it's going to ask me for my admin privilege. So I'm going to input my fingerprint because I've been registered as an admin on this device. Oh, I didn't place my fingerprint well, so I'm going to place my fingerprint on the sensor properly, and then it captures it, and then I am in the menu option. So all I need to do is I need to scroll down to report. So when I get to report, I press the OK button, and you can see download attendance report, and I press the OK, and then it starts processing the attendance report, and then I can put the number of reports I want, the start date, the end date. So you have the year option, you have the month option, you have the day option. So you can do all of those, and once you are done with all of that, all you just have to do is move down and press OK. As you can see, it is downloading to my drive. Data download successful. So that is how you can download a report to your external flash or drive. Thank you very much for joining this video.